I'm about to go skydiving with some friends. I'm about to jump out of a plane in the air. Here goes nothing.
I can't believe I'm really gonna do this. It's about to go down.
Tehran, who's with you here?
This is my boys, Dan, Adam, Isaac.
What's up, guys? What are you doing here today, man?
We're about to jump.
You gonna jump?
We're ready.
Just like off a ladder?
Nah, I mean, we're going in the sky.
Out of the
Going
plane?
down.
Oh man, how high are we going?
15,000.
15,000?
100? I don't know.
You don't know. You're just
I'm
going with it?
I'm just going.
Whose idea was this?
It's actually mine.
Your idea? Yeah?
Actually, yeah, Isaac and I made a bet like 8 years ago that we'd go skydiving one day,
Yeah.
and today's the day.
Here you are. Nice. You guys don't even look nervous.
Well, yeah, we're on the ground right now.
Yeah, right.
Get in the air.
Okay, so are we celebrating anything or just doing it for fun?
Just doing it for fun.
This
Oh,
is
that's
like
the
a
best
life
reason.
dream of
Yeah.
his and mine. And
Yeah, I get
Yeah, everybody's down to jump out of a plane. Nice. All right. Well, how's he gonna do, guys?
like a
What do you
champ.
think?
Mate,
gonna
I
rock
got
What do you
this.
think? What's your assessment? How's he gonna do?
Don't let me down.
You've never let me down, Tehran.
What are the
Man.
odds for him?
High?
Pretty high?
I think.
What do you think?
Solid 70-30.
Solid 70-30. That's good, bro. What do you think, man?
For what?
I don't know. Survival?
Oh, man.
Depends on how he's feeling.
Oh, that's all right. Okay. All right.
The more
I hope you feel good about this.
Feel good.
You feel good?
will not back out. For my students.
You're ready to do it to it?
Ready.
Nice, nice. All right, well, we're going to be on the first flight. It's all VIP. It's your plane. It's you guys.
Just us four?
Yeah, just you four on the plane.
So,
All right.
You know what? We'll probably add some instructors to go with you guys.
Yeah.
a good idea.
Please.
Yeah.
I guess.
Anything you want to tell people watching before we get going?
And this is for my students. I would say Fearlist to Fearless. Let's do it.
I like it.
go.
Have fun, guys. See you in this one. Stand up, strong legs. Yeah! What'd you think, man?
That was awesome.
You liked it?
Oh man, that was awesome.
Take those crazy goggles
my
off, man.
gosh.
How was the view?
Oh, it was amazing. Definitely doing it again.
Nice. Did
That
Feta
was
take good
amazing.
care of you?
Oh my gosh, he was awesome, man. Thank you so much. This was amazing.
Was it like what you thought it would be?
Scarier.
Yeah?
Terrifying.
But you're
I
smiling.
made it. Oh man. Another fear checked off the list.
Chalk it up, man. You didn't even look nervous.
Oh man, I was shaking. I thought I was gonna throw up the whole time.
Really?
Yes.
What was it like seeing your buddies jump out first?
Dude, that was amazing.
Is that weird?
I mean, seeing them, I was like, okay, I could do this. I got to do this. I
Nice.
got to ride home with them.
Right? You couldn't live it down, right?
Couldn't.
You liked it. You think you could do something like this again?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
I'm bringing my wife next time.
Oh, that'll be
Get
fun.
ready, babe. We're doing this.
Take the leap together.
We're doing
I love
this.
it. I love
Oh,
it.
man.
Anything you want to tell people watching?
Dude, I just want to say, keep facing your fears. Check them off one at a time. Fearless to fearless. Let's do it.
I love it. Thanks for coming to Skydive
Thank you,
Monterey
man.
today. Have a good one, man.
Appreciate it.